Exploring the musical journey of Ann Wilson, hits, history, and heartstrings. Ann Wilson is a force of nature in the music world, captivating audiences with her powerful voice and magnetic stage presence. Her influence has shaped rock music, inspiring countless artists and leaving an indelible mark on the industry. Born in San Diego and raised in Seattle, Ann Wilson grew up surrounded by music. Her parents nurtured her talents, fostering a deep love for singing and performing. This early foundation set the stage for her illustrious career. Ann's passion for music ignited during her teenage years, influenced by icons like Led Zeppelin and the Beatles. She began performing with local bands, gradually honing her craft and developing her distinctive style and powerful vocal delivery. As the lead singer of Heart, Ann Wilson co-founded the band with her sister Nancy. Their synergy and shared vision propelled Heart to stardom, making them one of the most iconic rock bands of all time. Ann Wilson's vocal range spans several octaves, characterized by its raw power and emotional depth. Her unique style blends rock, folk, and blues, creating a sound that is both timeless and unmistakably her own. Heart's debut album, Dreamboat Annie, marked a significant milestone in rock history. Released in 1975, it showcased Ann Wilson's powerful vocals and the band's innovative sound. The album's blend of rock and folk elements captivated audiences and solidified Heart's place in the music industry. The success of Crazy on You, a hit from Dreamboat Annie, further propelled Heart into stardom. With its dynamic guitar riffs and Ann's mesmerizing voice, the song became an anthem. Its impact on listeners and radio charts was undeniable, solidifying the band's rising fame. Barracuda, another iconic track, is a staple in rock history. Released in 1977, its aggressive sound and bold lyrics resonated deeply with fans. Ann Wilson's fierce delivery in Barracuda exemplified her vocal prowess and cemented the song as a rock classic. Ann Wilson's solo career allowed her to explore different musical avenues. Notable solo releases, such as Hope and Glory, showcased her versatility and continued relevance. Her solo work provided a platform for personal expression beyond the band, further enriching her musical legacy. Ann Wilson's lyrics often delve into themes of love, empowerment, and resilience. Her ability to convey deep emotions and tell compelling stories through her words has resonated with fans. The messages in her music continue to inspire and connect with listeners on a profound level. Heart has delivered countless hits that have stood the test of time, like Magic Man and Alone. These songs showcase Ann Wilson's powerful vocals and the band's unique sound, leaving an indelible mark on the rock music landscape. Ann Wilson's contributions to rock music have been transformative. Her powerful voice and poignant lyrics have pushed the genre's boundaries, inspiring generations of musicians. Her fearless approach has redefined what it means to be a rock vocalist. Ann Wilson's influence extends beyond her own music, touching various artists and genres. Her powerful performances and emotive singing style have inspired countless musicians, helping to shape the evolution of modern rock and beyond. Collaborating with other famous musicians, Ann Wilson has created unforgettable musical moments. Her duets and guest appearances have showcased her versatility and ability to blend seamlessly with different styles, further cementing her status as a rock legend. Ann Wilson's live performances are nothing short of electrifying. Her dynamic stage presence and incredible vocal range captivate audiences, creating memorable concert experiences. The energy she brings to the stage is a testament to her enduring passion for music. Ann Wilson's tours have been nothing short of legendary, filled with electrifying performances and unforgettable moments. Fans still talk about her powerful presence on stage, where her soulful voice and passionate delivery create a mesmerizing experience that resonates long after the show ends. Throughout her career, Ann has garnered numerous awards and accolades, cementing her status as a rock icon. From Grammy nominations to induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, her contributions to music have been recognized and celebrated by peers and fans alike. As a pioneering female rocker, Ann Wilson has broken countless barriers in a male-dominated industry. Her success and resilience have paved the way for countless women in music, inspiring them to pursue their dreams and challenge the status quo. Despite her immense success, Anne has faced personal challenges, including battles with addiction and the pressures of fame. Her openness about these struggles has made her an inspiration, showing that perseverance and determination can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. Beyond music, Anne Wilson is deeply committed to philanthropy, supporting various causes close to her heart. Her charitable efforts extend to numerous organizations, demonstrating her dedication to making a positive impact on the world and using her platform for good. Anne Wilson is deeply committed to music education, dedicating time to mentoring young artists. She believes in nurturing new talent and often shares her experiences and insights, helping aspiring musicians navigate the challenging music industry with confidence and skill. Her impact on the representation of women in rock is profound. Anne Wilson shattered many glass ceilings, proving that female musicians could dominate the rock scene. Her powerful presence and success have inspired countless women to pursue careers in rock music. Fans often share stories of how Anne Wilson's music has profoundly impacted their lives. Her lyrics and powerful voice have provided comfort, motivation, and empowerment to many, creating a deep and lasting connection between her and her audience. The legacy of Hart and Anne Wilson's influence extends to future generations. Their timeless music continues to resonate, inspiring new artists and fans alike. Hart's innovative sound and Anne's vocal prowess have left an indelible mark on the music world. Recently, Anne Wilson has been involved in various new projects and releases. Always evolving, she continues to explore new musical horizons, delighting longtime fans and attracting new listeners with her ever-creative and dynamic approach to music. Anne Wilson's presence on social media has brought her closer to fans, allowing her to share insights and updates directly. Her posts often include behind-the-scenes glimpses and personal reflections, fostering a deeper connection with her audience and celebrating their shared love of music. Documentaries and books about Anne Wilson and Hart offer fans a comprehensive look at their journey. These works delve into the band's history, struggles, and triumphs, providing an intimate portrayal of their impact on rock music and popular culture. One fascinating, lesser-known fact about Anne Wilson is her love for nature and wildlife conservation. This passion has often influenced her songwriting, infusing her music with themes of environmental awareness and the beauty of the natural world. Anne Wilson's impact on music is undeniable. Her powerful vocals and pioneering spirit have inspired countless artists and fans alike. Her dedication to her craft and her ability to connect with audiences have solidified her place as a beloved icon in rock history. For more fascinating music stories and insights into the lives of legendary artists like Anne Wilson, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Stay updated with the latest content and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of musical history.